Hi, welcome back. Since it is the start of a new year and not too many people are working, we've decided to shift focus away from the markets a little bit and talk about New Year resolutions. And what tops that list on most people's New Year resolutions is to lose weight. Not just this year, but for years now, people make and break that resolution. So let's get a facilitator of that. Anant Gawande, the CFO and whole-time director at Talwalkar, joins us now to talk about the trends and whether that is his New Year resolution as well. Anant, good morning and thanks for joining us. It's the start to a brand new year, and this is the time when people generally start recovering from a heavy party season, and in fact most people come into a sort of detox mode. As someone in this space who facilitates weight loss, how does the Jan to March quarter really look business wise? Do you generally see record show at the gyms in this quarter?
I would like to start by wishing all the viewers of CNBC TV18, including all of you, a wonderful, happy, fit and healthy new year, and hope 2014 brings a lot of good health and prosperity. Actually, I'm going to be going on a weight loss, trying to reduce 4-5 kilos in the next 60 days. And every new year I resolve that either I should lose weight or start gymming in a aggressive way. We are doing a major launch of Reduce, one of our diet plans, in the next 30 days. The first 15 days of the year are spent in doing what is called as New Year resolution scheme. This has become a very popular scheme across India, and I would like all of you to know that the first 15 days or 1 month of January are among the most crowded in the gyms across India, in all my 149, 150 gyms in 75 towns.
I'm sure you must be highly motivated to hit your own gyms, and you have a whole host of schemes and trainers waiting for you, Anant. So it's only a problem for people like us to actually be motivated. But nevertheless, just tell us a little more about these New Year resolution schemes, something that Lata and I are very interested in, which your company has launched. Could you explain that to our viewers? Maybe, some of us will be able to benefit out of these.
Separately, in the gym, we are offering in the health club, we are offering a very unique scheme to allow people to come in larger numbers, lose weight, become fit and get healthier in life for the new year. The scheme is a very simple one where if you become a member for 3 months, you can gift one more scheme of 3 months to anybody whom you love. So give your loved ones a good health is our way of translating the Talwalkar health resolution for the new year.
Well, in my case, that may be the surest way of souring relationships, actually. Well, let me come to business, Anant. How about those value-added services that you all had, Zumba, CrossFit, pilots? How is this segment shaping up for you, and are there any takers for these specialized services, or are they actually hit by the slowdown?
Actually, value addition has been giving us an increasing amount of margin over the last 1.5 years. We have been focusing on value addition. Just to give you an example, in the quarter of October, November, December, OND quarter, a lot of people were taking massages, oil massages across all our gyms and spas, because I think the winter this year has been a little harsher, colder than normal, and they must be enjoying the massages and oil massages. Separately, we are seeing that people are subscribing more and more to weight loss plans like New Form and Reduce. We are in the process of unrolling Zumba, which is a dance form, as you know, in many more places as opportunity come. But Zumba is a more youth-oriented program, and the youth is taken to it in a big way. Value addition continues to be our big driver. Actually, if you ask me, the company has stood or withstood the recession strongly and shown probably reasonable set of numbers in the last 1 year only because of value additions.
Oh, no, I was looking for numbers. What percentage of your revenues come from these value-added services?
Just to give a perspective to the viewers, about 5 years back, value addition, which is massage, spa, Zumba, Reduce, diet plans, personal training, used to contribute about 8 to 9% of our top line. A year back it was about 15 to 16% of our top line. Last year it was 22%. We are hoping that this year it is about 26 to 27%. Ideally, we would like it to move in the next 3-4 years to between 40 and 42% of our top line. we will have to add many more products to what we have today, and the present product range also has to be expanded tremendously, which is what is the effort being made by our team separately. So we feel that we will be at about 40-42% in value addition terms over the next 3-4 years, from about 22 to 24% today.
Okay, that's quite a big appreciation that you guys are expecting in value-added services. But to be fair, Zumba is seeing quite a bit of interest as well in Mumbai these days. But one of the worries of the last year was clearly inflation, Anant. And in fact, prices for most things have shot up disproportionately. And at least we have not seen any increase in our salaries. So is a price hike at the gym another concern that people will have to deal with in 2014?
Let me answer it in a different way. For me, the basic gym membership fee is like a thali, a fixed thali where you come to a restaurant where there is a thali restaurant. So the thali rate can also go up. Alternately, you can increase the rate of the sweets, the desserts, and the value-added things like taking extra things. So what we have done is we have increased prices of our spa, of Reduce, New Form, Zumba over the last 1 year, as and when there has been a necessity to do so. On the pricing of the fitness club as such, which is a gym, what we have done is the middle and the smaller towns, we have increased the prices. We believe we will increase them again in the quarter starting April 1st, because that's the financial year change. Presently, because we are in the process of setting up many more gyms, many new gyms, and January, February, March is a great quarter anyway, we are offering short-term memberships. Short-term memberships are generally affordable. We are giving a free membership of 3 months on existing 3-month membership. We are also opening Zumba and Reduce in a big way. Lots of advertisement will be seen across both printed and visual media, the television media. So we think price increase is inherent both in the fixed pricing as well as in the value addition. We do believe that over the next 1 year, 15 months, across the board 6 to 8% increase in prices will take place in most of our product segments.
Okay, sticking with financials, Anant, you have been delivering about 20% growth consistently on the bottom line. You have guided for 25 to 30 bottom line in FY14. You can maintain that?
One is I should mention that whenever we have discussed figures, we are given a parametric situation based on bottom line, because according to us the top line probably may grow a little lesser than the bottom line as value-added products start kicking in, because each value-added product gives a higher amount of bottom line as compared to the increase in top line. So we always try to mention a guidance based on bottom line. I believe that we should grow in a broader range of between 20 and 30% in the next year, or whatever 12 to 15 months come in. More importantly, we believe that September, which was our main quarter, has shown us that there is no serious problem in Middle India, in the 50 or 60 towns which matter in India, and hence there is no necessity for us to look at a revision of guidance over what we have been giving on a consistent basis for the past couple of years.
Okay, Anand, that's it with the numbers. So finally, before we let you go, as per one of our surveys, and I'm sure you know well yourself, weight loss is the top resolution of most people globally. As someone who facilitates that, we have to ask you, what is your personal resolution? You said earlier that you want to lose some weight, but is that what you're striving for in 2014?
We have a simple target for New Year. It's not an individual target, it's a company target, but I should mention it to you that this year we would like to make healthy and fitter 2.5 lakh Indians across India, so that they come back and say that we are feeling fitter, better, nicer and healthier than ever before. That's the resolution the company has taken.
Okay, now that's a politically correct answer. I think the Aam Aadmi fever is catching up. Thank you very much, Anand, for joining us. That's a word coming from someone who perhaps you're reminded of after the New Year blues, after partying hard perhaps in the last week of the year gone by. But it's time now to talk serious business, and joining us now is one of the biggest persons from corporate India, Mr. Sudhir Vasudev, Chairman and Managing Director of ONGC.